Welcome to Unit 11 on informative writing. The primary purpose of informative or explanatory writing is to increase the understanding of the reader of a given topic. Unlike argumentative writing, informative or explanatory writing starts with the assumption of truthfulness, focusing on telling you how or why something happens. Informative writing might include any or all of the following constructs: providing new information or knowledge, explaining a process, or developing a concept. Informative explanatory writing might also focus on any of the following, such as enumerating or clarifying different types, defining, detailing components, explaining behavior or functions, and providing explanations of why something happens. The Common Core calls for students to, quote, conduct short as well as more sustained research projects based on focused questions, demonstrating understanding of the subject under investigation. This is a shift from isolated, large research projects that focus on student presentations. Instead, research to answer questions and solve problems becomes a common occurrence across all content areas and throughout the school year. In this student, you're going to explore the purposes of teaching informational and explanatory writing and how this type of writing is linked to text structure within informational books. Examining what explanatory writing might focus on and including how that's going to be explored and the changes within the Common Core standards that have been called upon in the last 10 or so years. We're going to also rely upon credible sources within this type of writing to be able to answer and problem solve. At the end of this module, I'm hopeful that you'll be able to explore online teaching resources for informational writing and evaluate the implementation of those within your own classroom. Implement one teaching resource into your own classroom to then judge its effectiveness and examine studying text structures of informational books to be able to teach the writing process and to be able to achieve those writing products.